So BMW swapped for the RX-8. Heading back to chicane. Get this one on the dyno, see how it does. I'm not expecting too much today. So in the Miata, this put out 400 to the wheels. That was with a tune and much bigger exhaust. So in this, where we've got half-inch smaller diameter exhaust, and it's running closed loop, non-tuned, straight from the factory as the swap kits come, I'm not expecting too much, so I wouldn't imagine we'd get anywhere close to that. Air fuel ratio is just looking at it closer to 12 on wide open throttle, which is obviously very conservative. We could go a lot leaner than that to make more power. But we're not going to do that today because the plan is to get a baseline that we again can compare to, and from there do some street tuning, some mild street tuning, before heading back to the dyno to see how that looks. But again, I just want to see, like, you know, as you guys do swaps and when you use a factory kit like this, what's it going to do out of the box? That's really the goal, and hopefully it survives. You never know these things. This rotary sounds funny. Yeah.
It's like we're all gathering around something that's never been seen before.
Well, yeah.
It's
funny.
The kit,
It's
if you
fun
were
to see
able
how
to
well
see
it's
underneath it and see the subframe, Reed, you would love it. Like, what was it? It was a
V8 Roadster.
V8 Roadsters kit, yeah. I kept
okay.
thinking R8 Roadsters.
Is that the place that does
The Miatas.
Miata, yeah.
Well, is that the kit you have in your Miata?
No, I just got the subframe in and hacked it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah, this came out really, really nice. It's all lined out. You're driving it, enjoying it now.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't driven it much over winter. I've had all these other projects I've been using, but been trying to get it out on the dyno. So the idea is, if I can dyno this, the M5 and the 335 here, I get a baseline on all the cars.
Yeah.
Then I can start playing with them, tune this one, mess around with 335, and see if I can get them anywhere close to the M5, and tell a story along the way. So.
Yeah, cool.
Is T56?
Oh yeah, it's horrible. It's like a cheese box.
They suck, don't they?
Yeah, Chris, I apologise. When you get in there, you're going to hate it.
So, this engine came out of your Miata, if I remember correctly.
Yep.
And then you didn't do anything performance to it, right?
I rebuilt it. So I did rebuild it. So it's been rebuilt, honed, and everything else.
How many horsepower should this make?
So the engine, so this is basically a stock LS3, rebuilt stock. It's a Chevrolet Performance ECU and stuff like that, so all closed loop. It should be 410 at the crank. The engine before made 410.
Because I'm only strapping, I'm doing shock mount, spindle to center, so dual center tie down. just to stay away from the exhaust.
Yep.
Basically, high horsepower car,
Yeah.
wouldn't do it.
You can't do that.
Mainly because we want more than one anchor point. But if this is only making that, that'll be plenty. That one's walking all over on you.
Yeah.
How's the alignment?
It's been aligned.
Oh gosh.
What? The wheels are moving.
They are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't feel like it.
They're moving.
Feels fine.
Yeah. So the other two then, the widebands down there will run,
Okay.
but you're going to lose the banks gauges, which do all the oil temperature and stuff like that.
Oh.
Not the end of the world. Shouldn't need them, right?
Well, I can do roller speed.
That's right.
I mean, if we need gauges, I can do roller speed.
As long as you've got wideband, that's really what I care about.
Does it do okay on the street?
Yeah, should be fine.
What's it usually around? Like mid 12s?
Yeah, under
Low
full
12s?
throttle, it's kind of low 12s,
Okay.
high 11s.
All right.
Initially, it goes down to like 10.9 and then goes up to high
Yeah.
11s.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's barely idles. That's a hum.
Isn't it?
500 RPM.
So peak power should be 5,900, so
Okay.
6,200?
I'll just do a little over 6 or, yeah. You tell me. I'm assuming no traction control or any aids that have to be turned off.
Okay. I'm standing over here in the corner for this one.
Everything else? You want to check the others?
I don't know what this means.
Everything else? It does. It must have. Does it have a lot of camber? Because it's.
I don't know.
It has some camber, yes.
Okay.
Is it wanting to move around?
Oh, done. Yeah. It's kind of. It's fighting me on the wheel.
Yeah, I can tell. I mean, it moved over probably 2 inches.
Holy moly. Is that out of the wheel?
That's engine, sorry.
Okay, that's better.
Holy moly.
I was going to say, that with this exhaust, there's no way that should be making that out of the wheel.
Thing's fun.
Ooh, picked up some power. Oh yeah, yeah we did. Look at that. 350 foot-pounds, 360 horsepower. So it's more than I expected. What's that at the crank if it... Oh, there you go. Okay, so that's close to what the factory says. Hey, I can build a half-decent engine after all.
You did a good job. Let it cool down for a bit.
Why aren't you wearing ear defenders? You're going to go deaf.
It's not bad in the car.
Oh, is that right?
It's weird. It's inside the car. It's fine. Outside, like I don't hear hardly anything.
This thing sings throughout the whole place. It's crazy. Well, I can't see anything pouring out the bottom of the engine yet.
Man, LS life, like, can't be too bad. Yeah, I bet this thing is super fun.
Yeah, it's an interesting build for sure.
It's cool.
It certainly doesn't look like something that should have a V8 LS3 in there. There you go, so 364. So the WCF is with correction factor for the
so that's the one you
weather.
want
Yep.
for humidity, temperature, all that stuff.
Nice.
Am I on camera just eating shit?
Yep. Oh, is that at the engine? Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. So 434 at the engine. 414 foot-pounds of torque. That is fantastic. It survived!
It did.
Man, that was nerve-wracking.
Why is that?
Anytime you build a car, anytime you build an engine, until it's proven, it's unproven.
I mean, 442 and 421. Yeah, there may have been some confidence
Yeah, no,
in
no.
that first graph.
I 100% understand.
Stay in it. Tom, just stay in it. You stay in it. It moved. Drove it up here.
I did. Sorry. That's a wrap.
Auto services.
Success. 2 for 2 dyno runs. It survived. It's always good. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the videos. Now we've got a good baseline for both this car and the 335. This car will make way more power, that's the RX-8, than I was expecting it to, especially going from that 3-inch to 2.5-inch exhaust. But we've got a great baseline now that we can tune from. And I know it's running rich, so there is plenty of headroom, which is great. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching today. Like, share and subscribe. And most importantly, have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Oh, Adam, I'm terrible with this. Need some Velcro. I need a fanny pack.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine.
I'll come up with better solution next time.
You're fine.